Let me ask you two questions. Question number one, are you a beginner? And question number two, did you ever made an affiliate sale? If you are a beginner and you never made an affiliate sale, then you must watch this video because this video is packed with value. And if you watch this video very carefully, I promise you, next 2 or 3 months, you will start making money with Digistore24 affiliate marketing. So get ready because we are starting. Okay guys, so first thing you need to do, you need to choose your niche. Now second thing you need to do, you need to find products to promote. Now for this purpose, I'm going to use Digistore24. So let's just say that I'm in weight loss niche. So what I need to do, I need to click here on fitness and health. And when you come on this category, you will see that most of these products are actually keto related products. So that can be my sub niche. And what you need to do, you often need to go on second, third, fourth, fifth page, because on those pages you can also find good products to promote. But let's just say I wish to promote this product here, custom keto diet. Now here you can see on average I can make 31 euros per sale. And actually when I click here on their sales page, I will actually see that their sales page is really good, and that is important for us because that means that we can make more money because conversion rate is much better. So now when I have my niche, next thing I need to do a research. So what you need to do, you need to go on a website called Answer the Public. And then here I will simply type keto, okay? And then press enter. And this website will give you most searched terms related to keto on Google. And that is important for us because now we know what people are looking for, because if you know what kind of problem people have and if you have a solution for that problem, you can actually make sales and you can make money because you know exactly what you need to offer to these people. Now here you can see there is 80 questions. That is always good. Propositions 56. Comparisons 40, alphabetically 208. And when you scroll here you can see all the questions, okay? Keto questions, here you can see questions, here you can see propositions, and when you scroll down on the bottom, here you can see alphabetically. Keto ASV gummies, keto ASV, keto breakfast ideas. Now this looks like a good idea, good keywords. So now we need to research this keyword here to see, does this keyword actually have a potential? And also, are there any competition for this keyword? So what you need to do, you need to go on the website called Ubersuggest. And I will simply also add here lazy because I know that is a keyword, good keyword, lazy, okay? Lazy keto breakfast idea. And all you have to do now is just press enter and Ubersuggest will tell you, are there any competition for this keyword, and also does this keyword have a potential? So let me just close this, and here you can see, okay, 1600 people is searching this every month on Google in United States. But look at this, SEO difficulty easy. That means that we can actually easily rank on first page on Google for this term, keyword term here, okay? And when you scroll here you can see more related keywords, and you can target all of these keywords and get even more traffic. And when I scroll here you can see websites that are ranking on first page on Google. So now when you have your keyword and when you have your niche, next thing you need to do, you actually need to write an article. But I know that most of you are not that good at writing articles, so what you can do, you can simply copy this, okay, Control C, and then you need to go on a website called ChatGPT, and you need to register for a free account. After that, you will come to your dashboard, okay? So let me just close this, okay? Because I don't need that. And this is how your dashboard will look. Now, this software will automatically write a unique article for you. Here you can see some instructions. So what you need to do, you need to paste that here, and I already prepared that. So you need to copy this and you need to paste that here, okay? And under quotes, you need to add this under quotes, okay? Now I will leave you this in the description so you can use it to make your own articles. And all you have to do now is just press enter, and this website will automatically write 10 title suggestions for your article. And as you can see, it is writing these titles, and here you can see these are all catchy titles. Here you can see 10 quick and easy lazy keto breakfast ideas. Now this is a catchy title, and click-through rate on Google is really important, and that is why you must have catchy titles. Here you can see they added 10 titles. If you wish more titles, just click here on regenerate response and it will create additional 10 title ideas. So I just say, for example, I wish to use this first one here. So what I need to do, I simply need to copy this, okay, Control C. Like I said, I will leave you this in the description of this video so you can use it, okay? And I need to paste that here. And I need to copy this title here, this title idea. And just paste that here, press enter, and this website will automatically write an outline for my article. As you can see here, it is writing outline for my article, and it will do that automatically. And like I said, as you can see here, it is doing it quickly. So you don't have to wait 30 minutes or 1 hour for this website, for this software to write an article for you. So next thing you need to do, you need to actually write this article. Here you can see I only have outlines. So what I need to do, I again need to go back here and I need to copy this. So let me just see, okay, it is not yet finished yet. So I will just paste that here, okay. And now what I need to do, I simply need to go back here and I need to copy this, okay. Control C. And I need to paste that here, and again just press enter, and this software will automatically write an introduction for my article. As you can see here, it is writing introduction. So see, what I need to do next, I need to write my first recipe. So I will just copy this again and I'm going to paste that here and simply go back here and again just copy this, Control C, and paste that here, press enter, and as you can see here, it is writing a first recipe for me totally automatically. So even if you are absolute beginner and you don't know how to write articles, English is not your native language, you can get articles for free, high quality articles. As you can see, it is writing a full recipe for my first idea, okay, breakfast idea, as you can see here. And let me do this again just to show you how this works, okay. I will again copy this and I'm going to paste that here, okay. And I'm going to copy this third point, okay. So let me just go back on the bottom and I'm going to paste that here and again press enter, and this is writing an article for me totally automatically. And actually this is a 100% unique article. So let me just copy this article, okay. So this is my title idea, so I will just copy this, okay. Control C, and I'm going to paste that here in Notepad, okay. And I'm going to copy my article, okay. So let me just scroll down, introduction. So I will copy this, Control C, and I'm going to paste that here in Notepad, and I am going to copy my first outline, okay, copy, paste that here, okay, and I'm going to also copy the second outline. When I copy this, okay, Control C, and paste that here. And actually, let me just copy now this entire article. As you can see, this is not entire article because I didn't write entire article. But this is how you write entire article. Just use these sentences here that I provide, that I will leave you in the description of this video to write an entire article. And when you actually go on small SEO tools and when you paste that article here, let me just scroll here to confirm that I'm not robot. Check for plagiarism. You will see that this article is unique, which means, and if it is not unique, that is a problem for me because Google won't rank my articles. And that is why it is really, really important for your article to be unique. If it is possible to be 100% unique, that is by far best option. And as you can see here, for now it is 2% plagiarism. That is not good for me, but all below 10% is good. Okay, so let me just pause this video for a second until this tool actually finished checking plagiarism. Now, how this tool actually works? Now, this tool, ChatGPT, they actually go on Google and they find articles related to your topic and they rewrite those articles, and that is why I always suggest, because this is made by software, you need to check duplicate content, you need to check for plagiarism because, like I said, it is written by the software. That is why you always need to check for plagiarism. So let me just close this, and here you can see 90% unique, 10% plagiarism. that is still good because 90% of this article here is actually unique article, which is good, okay? Like I said, plagiarism is never good because you won't rank on Google, and more than 10% means that is actually not a good article. Do not use that. Also, another thing, because this article is actually written by the software, errors are possible. So what you need to do when you go here on Grammarly and click here on new, okay, and when you actually paste that article here to check it for grammatical errors, you will see that this article is actually, even though it is 91% good, there are still 20 additional issues. So you need to proofread this article before you publish this article, because like I said, it is written by the software, errors are possible. Now, if English is not your native language, what you can do, you can simply go on Fiverr and you can pay someone here to proofread and edit your article before you publish it. Like I said, this is a good article, 91% is actually good, but there is still 20 additional issues. That is why you need to check this article before you publish it. So now when you have your article, next thing you need to do, you need to go on vocal.media and you need to publish that article on Vocal Media. Now, why Vocal Media? Because unlike medium.com, Vocal Media is a ranking article that contains affiliate links on Google. And actually, I will not show you how to publish articles on vocal.media because I already showed you that many times. But I will give you some tips and advices. First, you need to use a catchy title. Like I said, that is why we actually used this software to get the catchy titles, to write us a catchy titles, because like I said, click-through rate is important on Google. And that is why you should always ask this software to write you catchy titles first. And then you need to ask this software to write you an entire article. So try to get catchy titles and then publish that catchy title here on your Vocal Media article. Now, second thing, you must open your article always with an AI catchy photo. Okay, that is really, really important. Something like this, keto diet, then here you can see this entire image. Now, third thing, you must use royalty-free photos and images, okay? You can find them on Unsplash, okay? And try to use those images on 2 or 3 or 4 places in your article, okay? Now, fourth thing, you need to add your affiliate link on 3 or 4 places in your article. And fifth and most important thing is you need to scroll down on the bottom and you need to say affiliate disclosure. You must say that this article contains affiliate link. If you don't say that, then your article won't be published and you won't make any money. Now, the reason why we use vocal.media is because vocal.media has a big authority on Google. And when we go back on Ubersuggest, here we can see SEO difficulty is easy, which means we can easily rank our Vocal Media article on Google, on first page on Google, and we can start getting traffic. As you can see, 1,600 people is searching this keyword here in United States alone, okay? So we can start getting free traffic. But in order to rank your article, your Vocal Media article on first page on Google, you need 2 things. Thing number 1, you need to start sending some initial traffic. And thing number 2, you need to build some backlinks. Now, easiest way to do that is to actually go on Quora and to find related questions. So let me just go back here and let's just say, for example, I'm going to use this, okay? So let me just copy this, okay? Control C and go back on Quora and let me just see, are there any questions related to this search term, okay? So when I click here and then what I need to do, I need to click here on question and here I can see, so there are actually no questions and you're probably thinking, well, that is not a good thing. Nobody's searching for that. But like I said, when we go back on Ubersuggest, we will see that 1,600 people in US is searching for this search term here. And because there are no questions on Quora, that is good for us because that means there is no competition. So what you need to do, you need to go here on add a question and you need to ask this question and then click here add a question and ask this question. So now when you ask this question, what you need to do, you need to go back on ChatGPT and you need to use this software to write an answer on this question that you asked on Quora, okay? And then you need to create a new account on Quora. So you need 2 accounts for this. And then you will add an answer on the question that you asked. And when we actually go on Ahref authority checker, we will see that Quora has an authority of 91, which means almost maximum authority. And that means that we will actually rank our answer, Quora answer, on first page on Google really easy. So in that way, we will double our chances because we will rank our vocal.media article on first page on Google, and also we will rank our Quora answer on first page on Google, and that means that we will get most of these 1600 visits to our article. Now, what you also need to do, you need to scroll here and you need to publish articles for all of these keyword ideas here. As you can see, SEO difficulty for all of these keywords is easy, which means you can easily rank articles on first page on Google and Quora answers on first page on Google. Like I said, just go back here on Answer the Public, and also you can use this tool to find more low competition and high search value keywords. Use Ubersuggest to see the potential. Use ChatGPT to write the article, and then simply check the grammar and then publish those articles on vocal.media and also on Quora. And you can easily rank those articles and those answers on the first page on Google. And trust me, in next 2 or 3 months, you will start getting 15, 20, maybe even 30,000 highly targeted visits to your articles on Vocal Media. And because you added your affiliate links, you will start making money with Digistore24 affiliate marketing, even if you are absolute beginner. And not just Digistore24, you can also start making money with CPA marketing and affiliate marketing in general. That's it for today, guys. If you wish to see more ways to make money online, make sure to subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to like this video. And also on your right side, you can see more videos that you can watch on YouTube that may help you to make money online.